This old guy DIY video has to do with helping a friend replace his existing doorbell with a Blink video doorbell from Amazon. So reading the instructions, it says to simply replace the old doorbell. I had taken one screw out already. You can see that's what the wiring looks like. There are just two wires that have to be terminated on the new doorbell. I can use the same holes the old doorbell had. I'll terminate those two wires to these two screws, put the doorbell in place, and then it looks like the rest of the stuff just happens through the app. So in this case, after removing the doorbell, I had two screw holes. I chose to use the top screw hole for this bracket for the Blink doorbell. Now I'll drill a hole down here and put a bottom screw in after I put the level up to this. We'll make sure it's level. And then when you look at the wiring that came out to the doorbell, you know, they have several leads. It was just the blue and the white that were used in this case. So it's blue and the white that I'll terminate to the doorbell, and we should be in action. Now the bracket is in place, up is up, and now I'll terminate the two screws to the back of the doorbell. In keeping with the way I normally do things, I tried to wire this up without reading the instructions. That didn't work. So although it says batteries or wiring, in fact, if you're going to wire it to the existing doorbell wiring, you need to have the batteries in first, connect it to the app, let it find itself and mate to the local Wi-Fi, and then you hook up the wiring afterwards. So as it says, once the batteries are in place, go ahead and grab your wires from the old doorbell, attach them to these two terminals. It doesn't matter which wire goes to which terminal. And then basically it uses the electricity from the house, but if the electricity goes out for some reason, you have battery backup. So instead of lasting a year and a half, the batteries might last 3 or 4 years. Well, 12 minutes later, I'm here to remove the Blink doorbell. It seems once you install it, you get a 30-day free trial, and then after that you have to pay them $12 a month every month for as long as you have the camera. And this thing also is not motion activated. It only comes on when somebody hits the button. So if you were hoping to use this for home security or be able to look outside and see what's going on from the inside from your phone anywhere, this is not the right tool for you. So in this case, my buddy said, hey, will you pull that back off? So I'm going to remove it, and he's going to buy a Wyze cam.